Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone guys brightness setting friends. In this video friends I will show you guys how can you enable guys your eyes protection mode in your Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to enable your eyes protection mode, so friends you can enable it. And guys now let's see how to enable eyes protection mode in our Tecno phone. In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon guys and like my video. So friends now let's see how to enable eyes protection guys. First of all guys open your phone setting and guys scroll it. As you can see guys, your display and brightness setting, friends, tap here and guys click on guys your eye care setting. So if you want to enable your eyes protection mode, so friends you can enable. After enable guys, you can see guys your phone screen color will change, and guys you can adjust guys this eyes protection mode, color temperature guys, screen color temperature guys, you can cool and you can change, means you can increase and decrease your eyes protection mode brightness guys in your tablet mobile. So guys, I hope friends you have understood how to enable, and guys why you should on it guys at night guys when you operate phone, and guys when you use phone at night, so you should enable guys your eyes protection mode in your Tecno phone, and guys any Android phone you want to, so you can enable your eyes protection mode like that. That's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye friends.